Welcome back to GenAI Explained Simply. Today's episode, Interacting with AI Mastering Prompts for Microsoft Copilot, dives into how to effectively communicate with one of the leading AI tools designed to enhance productivity and creative problem solving. This session is dedicated to understanding and mastering the art of crafting precise prompts to maximize the potential of Microsoft Copilot in various applications. Microsoft Copilot has revolutionized the way we interact with technology, providing assistance that spans from coding help to document drafting and data analysis. To begin, let's discuss the importance of specificity in your prompts. A well-defined prompt for Microsoft Copilot could be generate a summary of the key trends from the sales report of Q4 2023, highlighting areas with significant growth or decline. This specificity not only helps in getting a targeted response, but also minimizes the need for further clarification. Next, we'll explore the technique of structuring prompts to facilitate complex tasks. For example, when asking Copilot to assist with coding, a structured prompt might look like this. Write a Python function to parse JSON data from a URL provided as a parameter and return the data sorted by the date key. By breaking down the task and being clear about the language and expected outcome, the AI can more efficiently generate useful code snippets. In addition to technical requests, Microsoft Copilot can also be prompted for creative content generation. For instance, if you need to create engaging marketing content, your prompt could be develop a draft for a blog post introducing our new eco-friendly product line, emphasizing sustainability and customer benefits aimed at young adults in urban areas. This not only directs the AI to generate content, but also specifies the tone and target audience, which are crucial for effective communication. We'll also touch on the use of follow-up prompts to refine AI outputs. After receiving an initial draft or solution, you can use follow-up prompts to perfect the content or code, such as revise the blog post to include a call to action encouraging readers to sign up for our newsletter. As we wrap up today's episode, remember that effective prompt engineering with Microsoft Copilot involves clarity, structure, and foresight about the desired outcome. These skills ensure that interactions with AI are productive and aligned with your goals. Thank you for joining me on GenAI Explained Simply. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more episodes where we continue to unlock the power of AI in everyday applications. Master the dialogue with AI and transform how you work and create with technology.